Hello YouTube, welcome back, another video. So today I wanted to install, we're just going to do one for now, these little light switch things here. Battery operated, and this is what it comes in the package. I did pick these up from Big Lots, however I did find that they're available at Academy Sports. So definitely check these things out, they're pretty cool. They're from the Promier. It's a light switch, cordless light. Does run off of batteries. You can see it runs off of 4 AAA batteries. Very cool, very bright light, made in China, but very cool light. As you can see there, you can try it in the store, and they have different variations of these lights. So that's what it looks like, and then we're going to do this with some Velcro, and then I'll show you guys why we have the super glue. So pause it real quick, and we'll come back to how we're gonna mount it. Alright, so what we're gonna do is take the super glue here, that focus there, maybe. Well, anywho, we're gonna take the super glue, and even though this stuff's very sticky anyways, we're just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more glue to this. So this part is the part that's going to stay stuck to the actual box here. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick the best spot here. As you can see, that's where I've mounted, not this particular light, but a different type of light, and obviously it failed miserably. So we're going to just wipe it off real quick, and then as you can see, very sticky, and we're just going to mount it right there. Okay, so here we go. Like I said, that is super glued there. It is not going to come off, so that is stuck there. And we'll do the same thing for this one. This one's going to kind of go right there, like so. Alright, and that's it. Alright, and that'll be the finished product. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to take the actual Velcro part, and we're going to super glue it to the back of the light, and it will look just like that when we're done. So stick around. Alright, so here we go. We're going to go ahead and take the glue again. Same thing, put a couple globs on the back of the sticky of the Velcro, and then we're going to mount this right to the back of the light. So we'll take this, mount it just like this. Okay. Okay. Like so. And we'll do the same thing with this piece. I mount it, very sticky by the way. Okay. And we'll mount it just like that. And there you go. So then, why I did that, as you can see, I can still get to the battery compartments. And then how we'll mount this, you get the on off. You're going to attach it like so. And that's it. Boom. And let there be light. And the best part is, it needs to be down. Close it. Like so. It's closed. And now you have light. There you go, guys. Hope that helps. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. And we'll catch you on the next one.